because when you've got nothing to do, you will ruminate and you will stare at the ceiling and you will do nothing and you will vegetate, and mentally and physically you will regress. So I just want to be clear, this wasn't a skydive that went wrong. This wasn't me messing about on the skateboard, and I didn't have a motorcycle accident. This was a shark attack. Hi and welcome to episode 2 of Total Rebuild. As I promised you, I wanted to touch base just about what I've been through, and unfortunately you go through this, what to expect. So let's just jump straight in. It wasn't a shark attack. Simply walking the dogs on a Friday evening, slipped on grass, and I tore my quad totally off the bone. Thankfully, had some passers-by which were there to attend to me, and they put the dogs in and took me straight to hospital. Had an x-ray and it looked like the patella had moved itself back, but within a week I was back in hospital because the colour wasn't great, if I'm honest with you. So on the Saturday morning after an MRI, I was asked to attend surgery and I was in hospital for the weekend. I want to say a massive thanks to everybody involved at Sunderland Royal Hospital. The surgeon and all of the staff couldn't be more friendly and more attentive. I think the food's absolutely fantastic. The morphine is great. That was certainly available every 2 hours should you need it. And I met some really nice people in the hospital as well. If you haven't had time, I'd love you to go and watch the fire engine video where Terry talks about meeting people and spending time talking. I met an old guy in there who I apparently am the second person he's ever met who's been in a shark attack.
To say if people asked you about it, he said he was attacked by a shark.
He did know somebody else who had also faked a shark attack. She's a tree surgeon and she'd cut herself with a chainsaw. It was more glamorous to tell people she'd been bitten while surfing. Very funny.
So just me, myself and I.
Good. Sometimes that's all you need. And a good coach.
Yeah.
Hi Angela, you alright?
How's your leg going?
Really well.
Nice to see you anyway. mate.
Absolutely mega. Absolutely flying. Yeah. Still shark attack.
Where at?
Mediterranean. Roca. I want to say a massive thanks to the people that's been in my corner. So Nicola and Louise, who's had the dogs initially and who's did all my shopping. Johnny came on the day I came out as well to bring my tech downstairs because I had work still to do, and I have been working since. I had 2 weeks of a lot of editing. Decided to get a cleaner because I can't clean and bend down, and that's been absolutely fantastic. I met a new person there. I had a groundsman come as well and did all the gardening at the front and the back, so there's some real positives there. This can happen to anybody, and some things that I put in place are really important, which I want to share with you. A lot of people have said, you maybe get called as well, you live in the gym, you're just a gym freak. Yeah, I am. I've trained since 1987. What I can guarantee you now is that living a life of fitness and health and vitality is an insurance policy for you should anything like this happen. For the first 2 weeks, I was just on one leg, couldn't touch the ground with the other leg. So hopping around, trying to balance. Thankfully, I've got good core stability and the ability to get up and down out of a chair like that. If you've got no upper body strength at all, then what are you going to do? How are you going to navigate stairs with crutches and do those basic things? And while I was in hospital, I ordered a set of dumbbells. They were ready for when I came out of hospital. So on day 1 out of hospital, I was doing 20 minutes a day with some upper body exercises. I've worked hard on my body. I don't want it to atrophy, but it is going to slightly a little bit. So getting some new blood flow in, getting some new nutrients into the body will flood the area of need and help repair it.
I suppose mentally it's a bit...
Well, it could be.
Yeah.
But if you're that way inclined, for me, I'm a super positive person. It's about, I had a plan in place.
Yeah.
What was the nutrition I needed to put in place? What things that I need to do every day?
Yeah.
And that's really helped us.
Great way of
Yeah, totally. And I know you're a positive person. So let's talk about something that's so important as well, and that's nutrition. And that's important for everybody. What am I going to do? I'm just going to sit and eat pizzas and fish and chips all day and donuts and crisps and beer and feel sorry myself? That's not going to do my recovery or my fitness levels or my physique any good at all. So when my friends went shopping for me, I made sure that they got all the stuff I usually get. I have had a couple of cakes, but that's okay, I'm allowed that. Robson's Family Butchers in Pallion, they have been fantastic. They delivered 20 kilos of chicken for me, 10 kilos of burger and 10 kilos of mince, and they've been delivering sort of 30 eggs a week for me as well. So that's been absolutely fantastic. I've been having the protein shakes, so making sure I'm getting all the right levels of protein in as well. Now, initially coming out of hospital, I'm not going to lie to you, you're a bit bunged up, okay, because of the medication. So as you'll see, you know, I've been eating a lot of prunes and I've been eating a lot of fruit and a lot of pineapple initially just to get the body back flowing as well. And that recovered really, really quick as well. I've lost 5 pounds in 5 weeks. I'm not as active, therefore energy expenditure versus input is not exactly the same. So I'm not eating that volume of food anymore, the calories are down. But 5 pounds I've probably lost a bit off my legs as well. However, I'm still sub 10% body fat, and that is really important. Everything is going in the right direction here. I'm able to put nearly my full weight back on after 4 weeks, which is not really normal, to be fair. So that's really, really good. So then let's talk about the mental aspect of things. Having a plan in place, having things to do every single day is important, not just for me, but it's important for everybody. So every day I had a plan of action. Get up at a certain time, have a wash, sort the dogs out, get the first meal in, okay? Check the emails, do some work, have a rest, make sure my meals are planned for the day, and then recently I've been able to head back to the gym. Now, One Gym and Rye have been absolutely fantastic with me. They've been very friendly, very accommodating, helping me get into the gym, get out of the gym while I've been on the sticks. And everybody has just been so kind. The staff here are totally fantastic and chill. People who I haven't even talked to in the past have been coming up and saying, can I help you? Is anything that you need? And the equipment they've got here is absolutely sensational. When I started coming back a couple of weeks ago, I was purely just doing 5 exercises, all machine-based exercises. For anybody that knows, machines are a fantastic way to stay stable. We're not relying on stabilizer muscles. We're going in one direct plane of motion. What I've been doing over the past couple of weeks is my confidence has been getting higher. I've been doing a split routine. So today, for example, I'm doing chest, back and biceps. Then the next day I'll do shoulders and triceps. And I'm splitting that in between the machines as well as the free weights. This is not a particularly heavy weight for a lot of people in One Gym at the moment. It's only 100 kilos. It's a weight I haven't done in a long time. So I'm gonna give that a go, see how I get on. And even though I'm incapacitated, always put your weights back, always tidy up. So it's going all in the right direction, really well. Oh, nice. And this place is awesome as well, like it couldn't be, you know, more accommodating and stuff. So it's really good. It's mega, honestly, everybody's been so good, like everybody's staff and everything. And obviously you've got all the right setup, the machines, everything, you know, for rehabilitation, so it's all good. And it's good for your headspace as well, as you know.
Oh God, yes.
If you are going through anything from a physical or mental ailment, my advice to you is to ensure that you have the right people around you and you have at least just a short plan every single day of things that you are going to do. Because when you've got nothing to do, you will ruminate and you will stare at the ceiling and you will do nothing and you will vegetate, and mentally and physically you will regress. Nutrition, exercise and people are so important. Thanks very much. If you've got any questions, get in touch. I'm so pleased as well that so many new customers are coming my way because of work that I've been doing all this year, and it's absolutely really reassuring that while I've been off, I've had loads of work to edit, and I'm back at work. I've been doing some jobs this week for Carbon Homes and from Tri-Utility, and I've got some more new work booked in next week. If you do need anything, please get in touch. You know me, I'm always happy to engage, and I get some really good messages on Instagram, people just asking various questions and saying hi. Have a great week, and I guess we're nearly in October now, so happy Halloween. See you later, bye.
No chance.
I'll do